Hi friend, today's video we are going to discuss about why English is a difficult at the starting phase. Because friend, most of students have a problem, even I had a problem. When I started to speak English, it was too much difficult for me to speak. Because what happened friend, at the starting phase of English speaking, we can't able to translate sentences from our mother tongue to in English. It's too much difficult, and actually we have a habit to speak in our mother tongue, and when we start to speak in another language, it's difficult for us to think more on that basis, and then after we will spoke out. And that's with seems it too much boring. That's why most of students skip it. But friend, we know at the beginning everything is difficult, but what happens after that, when it will be become habitual for it will be easy for it, because our interest will be increased. Same things happen with English. What happened friend, at everyone want to speak English and they start, and at a starting phase they have in their mind, they have some their mother's sentences in their mind, and they want to translate that same sentences in English. But friend, it's wrong. If you want to speak in English, you should prefer some daily use English sentences. Most of content is available on YouTube. You can search daily use English sentences, and you should watch a particular 10 to 15 sentences, and according to that basis, if you listen 10 or 15 times, it will be remembering for you, and on that basis you can make another sentences also. You should have to listen more at a starting phase and try to speak within that content. On that content, you have to speak something. Don't translate sentences from your mother tongue, because it will be boring for you, and you will lose your confidence. Let's try to listen too much simple English. Even also on YouTube there is some small kids story, it's available in English. You can listen it 10 or 15 times, and you can spoke out same content in front of a mirror, and 100% once you spoke out, it will be remember in your mind for a long time, and your confidence will be improved. Same things you have to do friend for 1 month, and after 1 month 100% your confidence will be improved, and then after you will not give up. 100% you will practice continuously. That's why today's video I want to tell you, your beginning stage is the most important. When you will give up, then you will not able to speak English. And friend, finally, if you like this video, please subscribe, press the bell icon, and share with your friends, because friend, next video notification you will get, and it will be helpful for you. Thank you so much friends. See you next video. Bye bye till then.